2025 BMW R1300 GS ADVENTURE has a manufacturer's suggested retail price (MSRP) starting at $22,745 in the United States. This base price excludes additional costs such as a $695 destination and handling fee, taxes, title, license, and registration fees. BMW also offers various optional packages and accessories that can increase the overall price. For instance, the GS Trophy color option adds $845, while the triple black option adds $895 to the base MSRP. Additionally, the option 719 Karakoram variant is available, though specific pricing for this model may vary. It's important to note that prices can vary based on dealer location and selected options. For the most accurate and up-to-date pricing, it's recommended to contact a local BMW Motorrad dealer.